The City of Hoover recently announced a number of big projects that will be getting underway in 2024. One of them is the addition of a northbound lane on South Shades Crest Road over near the elementary school. Another one of the projects involves the Hoover High School and Spain Park baseball and softball fields. They're going to be replacing turf in those areas and a lot of other places actually. The biggest announcement that I'm excited about is the addition of 8 pickleball courts at Veterans Park. And those are due to be finished by the end of February. So go pickleball players. Along the same lines, the City of Hoover is looking at adding pickleball courts out at the Hoover Met. They're thinking about 24, but currently there's no funding, so we've got to get over that hurdle. Another thing that is coming down the pathway is you may have seen the resurfacing of the Hoover Met parking lot and the Finley Center and redesigning that whole parking lot. We all know that's a need. So those are just a few of the big things coming down the pike. The list is rather extensive, so stay tuned and keep an eye out for all of the great new developments coming in Hoover, Alabama.